Hi, in today's session we will explore what GPG keys are, why they are used, and how to create and configure them in GitHub. GPG keys in GitHub are cryptographic keys that are used to sign our commits and tags. By adding GPG public key to our GitHub accounts, we can sign our commits and this adds a verified badge to the commits. Before creation of GPG keys, we should have gnupg package installed. If you already have the package installed, that's great. And for those who need to install it, I'll include the instructions in the description below. You can follow the steps to install. Now let's start with the creation of GPG keys. First, let's check if I have the GPG key created in my local with the command gpg hyphen hyphen list hyphen secret hyphen key hyphen hyphen key id hyphen format equal to long. This will print if I have any existing GPG keys. Since it has printed nothing, I don't have any GPG keys created yet. Now let's start with the creation of GPG keys. GPG space hyphen hyphen full hyphen generate hyphen key. This will ask for few details. Provide them. And it's asking me to enter the name and the email ID. And I'm hitting O as I want to save it. Now it will ask us to enter the password. Give a password of your choice and hit the tab to get into the next tab. Enter the same password again for the confirmation and hit OK. My GPG keys has been created now. This is my GPG key ID. Now let's export this GPG key to print the key. GPG hyphen hyphen armor space hyphen hyphen export and this key ID. It will print my public key. Copy this public key, go to your GitHub account, click on settings, go to SSH and GPG keys, click on new GPG key, paste the public key that you copied, and in the title, add the name of your choice and click on add GPG key. As you can see, my GPG keys have been added successfully. That's all for this demo. Thanks for watching.